Hey, we're Tiffy Chuggy Wuggy. Today we're gonna be trying the pizza rings chips. Yes, chips. So, yeah, they're the mutant mayhem. Now let me open them up. And I got them open. Sorry, I'm not gonna eat them today. So it's holding the cream and holding this. Yeah, pretty hard to show you guys. I don't know if it's dark. Let me get one out. Then I'll eat one too. Get one out. There. Here's one of them. Yeah, all of them. Not all of them look like this. They look like this. Now let me try them. Oh, at the butter lie, but I'm not gonna try them. But yeah, let me eat them. Yeah, that's actually quite good.